Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50 and today's workout. My name is Paul, and as always, I want to be taking you through today's workout. Today we have a dumbbell only core workout, guys. 5 different exercises, 3 sets per exercise, varying repetitions. Follow along with me. I'm going to try to move through this as quickly as I can. So let's get going right after this 5-second intro. Alright guys, welcome back. Let's get down on the ground and let's get going. First exercise is going to be a close grip sit-up. So leave your legs however you want to leave them. I'm going to leave them a little bit bent. Grab your dumbbells, squeeze them together, and as you sit up, I want you to raise them up over your head as high as you can. Ready? Let's get going. 3, 2, 1, and we're going for 15 repetitions, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, keep going. 5 more. Let's go. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2. Last 1 and 1. All right, put the weights down. Let's relax for a few seconds before we hit set number 2. So we got 5 exercises, same set, 3 times. Ready? We're gonna go for set number 2, guys. Once again, 15 repetitions. Grab your dumbbells, squeeze them together, lay down on the ground, get your feet in a comfortable position and sit up with me. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 1 more for 10. 5 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 more. And 5. All right, let's rest up for a few seconds. Hey guys, the reason why my arms are not going up as high as they should be, I got a pretty bad sunburn the other day. Actually, it was yesterday. Hence, there's no cardio workout today because I don't know how well I would handle jumping around. Raising my arms over my head kind of hurts a little bit, but it was nobody else's fault but mine. And that's about it. That's all I got to say about that. But that's, if you're wondering why I'm not completing the movement, that is exactly why. So let's go for set number 3. Ready? And 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Sit up and back down. 3, 4, 5. Keep going. 6. Get that weight up over your head. Ready? 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Whew. Okay, I need a breather, and there it goes. Next exercise, guys, is gonna be a plank pass. So grab just a single dumbbell. We're gonna get in a plank position, and we're just gonna pass it from one side to the other side underneath our bodies, all right? We're going for 3 sets, and once again, 15 repetitions. So get comfortable, get in a plank position, and we're gonna pass the weight back and forth from one side to the other side. Ready? We're going for 15. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Keep it up. Here we go with 10. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 more. And back to where we started. Perfect. Whew. Let's take a few seconds off. Then we'll be right back with set number 2. Move this out of the way a little bit more. All right, you guys ready to go once again? Let's go in 5, 4, 3, 2, plank position, and let's go. 1, 2, keep it up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. 9. Work with me. And 10. We got 5 more. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. And bring the weight back to where we started. And that's set number 2. Whew. Breaking a little sweat. Like I said, because of the summer, not really looking forward to the shower after this workout. My shoulders are okay, my head's really pretty burned. Not that you guys care all that much. All we care about is getting more core work done. So let's get going in 5, 4, 3, 2, plank position, and let's go with 1. Keep going. Come on. Working on 2. Bring the weight back. 3. Done with 4. 5. 6. Keep it up. 7. Work with me. I'm kind of walking away here. Let me walk back. 8. 9. Keep it up. This is 10. We got 5 more in us. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 2 more. 1, 1. Last one. There and back. All right. Whew. Started feeling that towards the end. That felt good. All right, guys. Here we're going to do a front, I can't speak, plank raise. So I want you to use your dumbbells. If your dumbbells are too heavy, you don't have to use them. The basic gist of this, guys, is you're gonna get on all fours in a plank position. Spread your legs out wide. You're gonna raise one arm and the opposite leg and try to keep your balance. Put it down, and arm and opposite leg on the other side, all right? So this one is a tough one. We'll count each movement as 1 repetition. Like I said, if you want to use dumbbells, I'm going to give it a shot with dumbbells. Use dumbbells. If not, feel free to do it without dumbbells. Here we're going for 3 sets of 8 reps. I might and probably will fall over on these. I'm going to try not to, just like you shouldn't. So ready? 3, 2, 1. Find your balance. Ready? And up. And that's 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Oh yeah. Finding the balance for me is very difficult. I do not have great balance. I do the best that I can, and I like doing difficult exercises because they do improve my performance. If it was easy, what's the point, right? Anyway, let's get going. We got 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. This is set number 2. Find your balance. best that you can. Ready? And go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew. All right, that was set number 2. We're moving right along with this one. How you guys doing today? We're almost halfway done or so, right? Set number 2, so we're a little more than halfway done. We're doing good. 8 sets down. And let's go for set number 3. Same thing. Most important thing, find your balance first. And ready? And let's go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last 1, and 8. That was a tough one. I like that exercise. I'm going to incorporate it into more of my workouts, guys. Let me know if you liked it, and I'll definitely put it in. All right, now we're going for the old up and overs, guys. Stand your dumbbells up as high as they go. We're gonna leave our feet on one side, bring our feet over to the other side. Let your feet hit the ground, it's quite all right. We're going for 3 sets of 10 repetitions. This exercise for me always seems easier on paper than it is in real life. So up and over the dumbbells, ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, keep it up, 7, beautiful, come on, 8, 9, and 10, there we go. All right, take a few seconds off, relax, relax, relax. You guys get ready to go in about 5 seconds or so. 5, 4, come on, 3, 2, 1, and let's go over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last 1. Oh yeah, that one hurt. 10, 10. Woo. All right, set number 2, done. You guys ready to go set number 3? When do you want to go? How about in about 5 seconds? Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, come on. 2, this is a tough one. 3, 4, and this is 5, halfway done. Working on 6, come on, keep it up. 7, 8, 9, and last 1, up, and last 1 and over. Woo. And we are done with exercise number 4. All right, for the next one, guys, stay right here on the ground. Just need 1 dumbbell. You're gonna grab your dumbbell, put it between your feet, and we're just gonna do forward crunches. So just gonna grab it and just go do this basically, all right? This is all we're doing. That's all we're gonna be doing. So let's get going in about 10 seconds. Let's just finish an exercise. And we're just gonna do our crunches. Ready? In 10. Deep breaths in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And just grab it and just give me 2, 3, that's it. 4, nice and easy. 5, 6, 7, 8. Just going for 10. Last 1 and 10, and weight down. All right, we only got 2 more sets left in this workout, guys. You guys can do this now. Power through it, I'm trying. You guys ready to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whew. All right, we got 1 more set left. 1 more set, that means we get going in 5 seconds. 3 seconds now. 2, 1, grab the weight. Squeeze it between your feet and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. And 10. All right. And we are back and we are done. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul, and as always, workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday. Don't forget to join me on those days and any other days in between. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this workout. I'll see you guys during the next workout. Thanks for joining me today.